In the rapidly evolving landscape of warfare, technology has always been a deciding factor that separates the powerful from the powerless. But as we look ahead to 2025, the image of the soldier is no longer that of someone carrying only a rifle and basic gear. The soldier of the future is envisioned as a highly advanced AI-powered warrior, equipped with nano-armor, smart uniforms, and enhanced battlefield integration systems that merge human skill with artificial intelligence. This transformation is not science fiction anymore. It is an inevitable step in the future of defense and security, where every soldier becomes a highly efficient node in a connected digital battlefield. The question is, how will these innovations shape the wars of tomorrow? And what role will humans truly play when machines and AI become deeply embedded into the core combat? To begin with, let's consider the concept of nano-armor. Traditional armor has always struggled with a balance between protection and mobility. Heavy armor provides safety, but restricts speed and endurance, while lighter gear offers mobility at the cost of vulnerability. Nano-armor seeks to eliminate this compromise by using nanotechnology. At the molecular level, researchers are creating materials that are lightweight, yet stronger than steel. Imagine a uniform where billions of tiny nanoparticles can shift their structure instantly. When a bullet or shrapnel hits, absorbing and dispersing the impact before it reaches the body. The self-healing capability of nanomaterials also ensures that cracks or damage repair themselves automatically. Much like how living tissue regenerates by 2025, it is highly likely that such nano-armors will make soldiers not only harder to injure, but also better equipped to survive environments where conventional armor would fail. Extreme heat, freezing temperatures, chemical attacks, or even radiation could be countered by adaptive nano-armor layers that change their properties in real time. Now let's move on to the idea of smart uniforms. A smart uniform is much more than protective clothing. It is essentially a wearable computer. These uniforms will integrate sensors, biometric monitors, and communication devices directly into the fabric. A future soldier's uniform will be able to monitor heart rate, hydration, fatigue, stress levels, and even detect injuries the moment they occur. Imagine a battlefield where commanders daren't just know the positions of their soldiers, also their health status in real time. If a soldier is wounded, the uniform could automatically release first aid treatments, seal wounds, or inject painkillers. Some concepts even suggest that smart fabrics could stiffen at certain moments to act like a temporary cast for broken bones or injuries. Furthermore, these uniforms would include thermal regulation systems, allowing soldiers to remain comfortable and efficient in scorching deserts or icy tundras without needing bulky gear. This not only increases endurance, but also ensures that soldiers can perform at peak efficiency in any environment. Artificial intelligence is a true game changer in this vision of the 2025 battlefield. AI will act as both an assistant and a shield for human soldiers, giving them access to a level of information and decision-making speed that no individual can achieve alone. AI-powered helmets and visors will provide soldiers with augmented reality displays overlaying the battlefield with real-time information, such as enemy positions, drone footage, terrain analysis, and potential threats. Instead of reacting to danger after it appears, soldiers could anticipate it, guided by predictive AI algorithms that process massive streams of battlefield data in seconds. AI could also optimize communication, reducing the chaos of war by prioritizing important information and filtering out the noise. Every soldier would essentially carry an AI partner providing guidance, tactical suggestions, and even automated defense mechanisms. One of the most fascinating aspects of this vision is the integration of soldiers into a larger digital network, often referred to as the Internet of Battle Things. Just as our smartphones, cars, and homes are becoming interconnected, so too will the soldiers of the future. Each individual will not act alone, but as a node in a vast AI-driven combat web sharing data with satellites, drones, tanks, ships, and other soldiers instantly. This creates a hive mind effect where decisions are not based on isolated perspectives, but on a complete picture of the battlefield. For example, if a drone detects an enemy sniper, the information could instantly appear on every soldier's visor with recommended safe routes calculated in real time. Coordination between air, land, sea, and cyber units will become seamless, reducing confusion and dramatically increasing efficiency. Of course, futuristic soldiers won't only be defensive. Offensive capability will also see a dramatic upgrade. Exoskeletons powered by AI could allow soldiers to carry heavier weapons, run faster, and endure longer missions without fatigue. These robotic suits combined with nano-armor and smart uniforms will transform a single soldier into something resembling a one-person army. While today's soldier relies heavily on vehicles for transport of heavy equipment, the future soldier might be able to carry rocket launchers, heavy guns, and ammunition. Personally, thanks to mechanical augmentation, combined with AI targeting systems, accuracy and firepower will reach levels never before imagined. Some analysts suggest that soldiers of 2025 may be able to operate drone swarms directly from their suits, commanding aerial or ground drones as extensions of themselves. Yet with all this technology, the question arises, where does the human element fit in? Will future wars be fought by machines with humans only as overseers? The reality is likely to be a balance. While AI and robotics can enhance speed, accuracy, and survival, human judgment, ethics, and creativity remain irreplaceable. A future AI soldier is not about replacing the human warrior, but about amplifying their strengths while reducing their weaknesses. The technology will handle data processing, environmental adaptation, and repetitive tasks, leaving the soldier free to focus on strategy, decision-making, and human instincts that machines cannot replicate. As with any technology, there are concerns. The soldier of the future raises serious, ethical, and strategic questions. If every soldier is equipped with AI enhancements, a near-invulnerable armor, does that make wars? More likely, could nations become more willing to engage in conflict if their troops are better protected? There's also the danger of hacking. What happens if an enemy manages to break into the smart uniform or AI network, turning the very advantages into vulnerabilities? And on a deeper level, what does it mean for humanity? If the line between human and machine continues to blur, will future soldiers feel more like operators of systems rather than warriors themselves? Despite these concerns, the development of AI-enhanced soldiers seems unstoppable already. Prototypes of exoskeletons are being tested by multiple militaries around the world. Wearable biometric trackers, AI-assisted helmets, and even fabrics with built-in electronic circuits are moving from labs into practical use by 2025. It is entirely plausible that many of these technologies will combine into a single integrated system, producing a soldier who is stronger, faster, more aware, and far more resilient than any in history. The battlefield of 2025, therefore, will not be defined by who has the largest armies, but by who has the smartest ones. Nations investing in AI, nanotechnology, and smart materials today are essentially building the foundation of the next era of military power for soldiers. The shift is equally profound. No longer mere fighters, they become advanced operators of complex systems, blending human courage with machine intelligence. Every movement, every decision, and every action will be backed by the power of artificial intelligence, transforming the very nature of warfare. Ultimately, the AI soldier of the future is a reflection of humanity's broader path. Just as technology has reshaped communication, transportation, and medicine, it will inevitably reshape security and defense. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.